Are your legs getting tired? No? That's good. Today we are headed to Sekumpul Waterfall, and I'm so pumped about this. I've been waiting a long time to go here. We've gotten a lot of crazy looks. Our driver tried to stop us from going here because of the kids, but they have done worse challenges before, and they'll be able to handle this one no problem. But first we have this really narrow drive on 2 motorcycles, and then we will begin the climb. I believe today we're going to see 7 waterfalls, do some water slides, some swings, and then ultimately climb down to the bottom of Sekumpul Waterfall, which I hear is the most beautiful waterfall in all of Bali. So I'm really looking forward to that. This drive is absolutely breathtaking. The road is just barely narrow enough for 1 motorcycle at a time, and yet there's definitely a 2-way traffic going on. But we're driving through this forest with vines hanging over. Hey Alexa, pick your feet up a little bit so they don't drag. And honestly, it's just absolutely beautiful. It's such a cool drive. We are having a lot of fun. So we are currently at the top of Sekumpul Waterfall. It's pretty early on into the hike, and you get to see the actual height of the waterfall, which is pretty cool. And then eventually we will climb all the way to the bottom, which is quite the hike, but we will make it. So we actually originally tried to do this hike 2 days ago, but our driver convinced me not to do it. We got in the car early in the morning, I asked him to take us to Sekumpul Waterfall, and he goes, no, not with kids. And then he continued to tell me how dangerous it was, and it wasn't appropriate for kids, it wasn't hardly appropriate for adults. But last night I did my research again. I'm positive this is going to be just fine. A little nervous because I am super sore from the last waterfall, and we have to carry Chloe down on my back. But I'm sure coming up will be no problem, and it will be absolutely worth it. But who knows? We will see. And now we start the trek down. So we have 300 stairs to get down, and Chloe has decided her legs are tired upon stair number 2. So we got this.
I'm already.
Whoa, look at those stairs! Yeah! That'll be fun coming back up. So, starting to get a little nervous because he stopped to pray. And then we have these stairs that look like the stairway to death. It's about an 80-degree incline. Seriously, the camera can't capture the steepness of these steps. Chloe, are your legs getting tired? No? No? That's good. So hopefully this gives a sense of how steep it is. It is completely insane. So I trust my man Thomas. He was right. It's a little challenging, but especially with kids, but they're doing all right. Chloe, are you having fun?
Yeah.
You okay back there?
Yeah.
Okay. Chloe, are you sleeping?
Yeah.
Yes?
I mean, no.
No? I think she's starting to fall asleep. Ooh, it feels nice. I thought we still had a long ways to go, but this is it. This is Sekumpul? Hey, we made it! That was easy. I thought we were like halfway there. Chloe, look! We made it!
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
They're tapping into nature to keep the sun off the girls.
You do what you gotta do.
The mist is so strong, it feels like we've already went swimming. I just noticed my lens is completely covered in water. That's all from the mist. It's rather cold, but it feels nice considering how hot it is.
It's over now, so don't expect. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. Before the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
She was really sad on the way over because she didn't get to walk. Our guide is being very kind and giving Alexa a little piggyback ride. Chloe, you having fun?
Yes.
Can you wave at the camera? Hi.
Oh,
Chloe, you love flowers. Oh, say thank you. So we are headed to Fiji Waterfall, which is the second waterfall in this tour. And man, climbing along this stream, seeing the rapids, seeing the little mini waterfalls on the way, this is an awesome hike. It's actually a triple waterfall. There's 1, 2, and 3. And it is cold, it's wet. You don't have to get in the water in order to get wet here. Our guide said that Chloe is very happy riding on his shoulders because she's up there singing away as he's trekking along.
I'm gonna climb the whole mountain all by myself. All by myself.
All by yourself? How about I carry you?
Ow.
Alright, so we have begun the ascent. It's about 325 steps, but these are like triple steps. Each step is like doing high steps. Seriously, these steps are ludicrous. It's like comical how steep this is. Whoa, look how fast you're going. You're gonna be the first one to the top.
Yes.
Still climbing. We're still climbing. We can make it. These rails are super safe.
I'm super strong.
Yeah. Chloe, are your legs tired?
Yeah.
We did it!
We did it.
So on this tour that we booked, you can see a total of 7 waterfalls. We have seen 4 of them so far. I don't think we're gonna be continuing on for the other 3 because it's another 800 meters down, lots of steps, and we are tired. We started the day with jello legs from the waterfall excursion 2 days ago still, and I can't feel my legs anymore, especially from carrying Alexa and Chloe up. Thankful for our guides who helped us carry our children up the mountain. You did really good, buddy. You climbed almost the whole way by yourself. But we're gonna check out the swing, which kind of... Not yet, a different one. I'm hoping that the girls can do the swing because it swings over a waterfall. Looks really beautiful, but we will see. Alexa really wants to try coffee, so this is her first coffee.
Let's try it with Alexa.
Chloe's first sip of coffee.
Like it?
What do you think?
Like it.
You like it?
No.
So it's quite beautiful. You can actually see the river that's flowing into the rice terraces, and then watch the water go from terrace to terrace, and see the rice being watered naturally. It's really quite beautiful. I mean, we're surrounded by mountains. I can almost see a volcano off in the distance, and we're right near the waterfall that we just visited. It's absolutely a beautiful place to stop. Good job, Chloe. So this entire structure is just built out of bamboo and rope tied together. It's kind of hilarious. So that definitely is a little challenging with kids, but I still recommend it. It was beautiful, made for some great memories, for some great pictures. The kids love the water. If they could just install an elevator, that'd be fantastic. But honestly, they did really good. Alexa climbed back up almost the entire way by herself, didn't you, Alexa? But all in all, that was a fantastic day trip, and I think we're still gonna do the swing when we get back. Are you sleeping?
She fell asleep. It's been a long day, huh? You're gonna watch Daddy, okay?
Very high, you can say.
Yes. Whoa! Ah! Oh my goodness!
Hi, Daddy!
That's crazy. That's terrifying. Oh my goodness.
You're not gonna lose me.
Careful. Okay.
Like it? Oh, you like it?
What do you think about it? Did you wrong to try this swing?
Chloe.
Chloe's next. Alexa, are you gonna do it? Yeah. You excited? That's the biggest swing you've ever been on.
Chloe's next.
You ready? Okay, I'm gonna push you. Ready?
It's slowly.
Good job, Chloe. Is that fun?
Can you see the whole world?
What do you think, buddy? Is that fun?
Quite what I thought it was.
There's no chance we can get that harness to fit her safely, so she can't go over the edge, and I think she's a little bummed. Is that fun?